Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching all my videos. I'm here in Holland Park Garden. Wow, the flowers starting to bloom. Okay. Wow, very pretty. There is a chair over here to sit, and look, there's the other side. Wow, look at the view. Wow, wow, look at the view, the full view of this garden. Oh, wow, look at the view, so pretty. Okay, let's go there. Guys, it's 8 a.m. in the morning. Nobody around. Look at the flowers. Oh my, that's so lovely. Look at this. Wow. Okay, let's go there. It's so windy. It's windy, refreshing. The temperature is 19 degrees today. Oh, wow. Look at this. The flowers are all pretty. Look. You can hear the bird chirping all over. See the full view there. It's very pretty. Look at the view. Wow, the flowers. Look at the side. How's that? Okay, we'll go there here later. And okay, let's go there. There is a playground now there. Let's go there. And every side there is a wooden chair. Look. I went here last year. This is amazing. I don't know what do you call this plant, the white one. It's so pretty. Let's go at the very end. Look here. Okay, this view is so perfect. Look at this, guys. I remember when I bring Cedric here in London, he play here. We play chess here. Look. Oh, maybe someone played yesterday. So let's check it out. Guys, this is very handy. So light. Look. Yeah, you can play chess here while sitting. And there is a fountain over there, and we'll go there later. Let's go to the fountain. There is a fountain over there. Look at the fountain. Okay, let's check the building. Over there. Oops. Let's check this thing. Let's go here. I don't know how they what I don't know. Let's check. Let's check this building. What's in here? Look. This is the English before. This is what they wearing. Here's the view from here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless us all.